Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I will show you that how can you download outfits for your AR emoji. So if you are using Samsung mobile and you have this AR emoji app, you can download free outfits which are available through Samsung Galaxy app. So you can just search, let's say, outfits for women, and you will see that you can find some free outfits which are as listed, and some are paid, which is having some money that you have to give in order to purchase that. So in order to download this, you can just click on this download option. So click on that, click on download, and that will download, and you will see that after downloading that you will get all different other options, and if you wish to download that, you can download that options too. So these are some options, or you can say some outfits which is supported for AR emoji. And if you are get bored using same same outfits, you can try this new different outfits. Okay, so now I have downloaded some of them. Let me download or other options which are available. Okay, so now I have downloaded some outfits which are available, and if you want other free options, you can just click on this and you will download that thing also. So let me download this. Okay, and now I can just go for AR emoji. Okay, so let's go to AR emoji, which is over here. Actually, I am having a AR emoji, but I'm not sure why it is not showing. So let's take one of them. Okay, and you can go to styles, and you can see that some menu has been get updated, and you can see that you can also purchase that outfits from the AR emoji app also, and you can download the free versions of these outfits from the one which I have showed to you, and you can download it from over here also, and then you can just try new outfits for your AR emoji. In this way you can just have it, you can try it for your AR emoji. I hope this video will be helpful for you to download other outfits and try new different outfits for your AR emoji. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Thank you.